To install bottom chord top at 20 runners on large steel frame trusses, you'll have to calculate the spacings between them with a mat center to center measurement of 2000 mm. Take the length of the truss and divide that by 2000 mm, then you will know how many spacings there will be. Then divide the length of the truss by the amount of spacings to see what the center to center spacings must be. Fix the bottom chord runners to the truss with two 16mm deck screws on every truss. If you're going for exposed trusses, you can fix the runners on top of the bottom chord. Place a small open channel on top of the bottom chord and fix with deck screws. Then you can install the runners on top with two deck screws.
If you have any queries, then please visit our website at siteform.co.za.